So good morning, students. So come to the today's class. So I'll start you today's class from the question number 5. So exercise 13.6. Question number 5. Okay. So question number 5 is given. It cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. That means height is deep is given. So h is given 10 meter. Okay. So if the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find number 1 inner curved surface area of the vessel, number 2 radius of the base, and number 3 capacity of the vessel. So okay, that means total cost is given. That is total cost is rupees 2200. Okay, and another thing is given that cost of per meter square, that is 1 meter square, is equal to rupees 20. Okay, clear? So that means suppose price of total, suppose you spend in buying some pens, suppose you spend 50 rupees and price of one pen is suppose 5 rupees, then how many pens you buy? That is total divided by price of one pen, that means 50 by 5, that will be 10. Okay, so like that, in this case total cost, that means total cost is rupees 2200 and cost of 1 meter square is rupees 20. That means how many meter square is present? So that 2200 divided by 20, that will be the curved surface, inner curved surface area of the vessel. Okay, so at first write a given things. So it cost so given depth of a cylindrical vessel, you can write h, which is 10 meter. Okay, so according to question, it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area. So according to question, just write according to question, it cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel if the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, it is given. According to question, you have to write this one because directly you cannot divide. Why you if you have to write, because the cost is rupees 2200 and how it becomes 2200 at the rate of 20 per meter square. That thing you have to inform. Okay, so the first one is what? Inner curved surface of a vessel. So therefore inner curved surface area of the vessel is rupees 2200 divided by rupees 20. Okay, because the total amount is 2200 and 1 meter square the cost is rupees 20. That means the inner curved surface area will find total amount of money spent divided by the amount of money in 1 meter square. Okay, so this will cancel. So 110 meter square. Okay, so number 2 is you have to find the radius of the base. So let r meter be the radius of the base of the cylindrical vessel. Okay, cylindrical vessel. So all of you know that what is the inner curved surface area of a cylinder? It is twice pi r h. So inner curved surface area of the cylinder whose radius is r and height is 10 will be this one. Okay, so therefore 2 pi r h equal 110. Already we find 112 meters square. So you can write from 1. That the first one, you just give the number 1 equation. Okay, so from 1. So 2 into the below pi is given or not. So 22 by 7 r, you have to find h is what? 10. That is 110. So that means r is equal 110 into 7 divided by 20 into 44 into 10. Okay, so 0 to 0 cancel. So 11 1 4. That means r is equal to what? 7 by 4. 7 by 4 meter. You can, if you divide, it becomes 4 on the 4, 330. So 4 7 is 28 to 1.75 meter. That is the radius of the base. Okay, so now come to the third question, which is capacity of the facility. Means you have to find the volume. The capacity of the cylindrical vessel equal to what? Pi r square h. So 22 by 7, and you can write 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. H is 10. If you write 1.75, it will be also correct. So 7 you can cancel. So 4, so it's 2, so it's 11, and this is 5. So 11 into 35, 7, and this one is 4. So 11 to 35, 11, 5, 55, 5 is carry on. So 385 divided by 4. So 385 divided by 4. 4 is the 4 9 is the 36. So 225, 4 6 is 24. 1.04 is the 8. 20 for 96.25 meter cube. Okay, so this is 96.25 meter cube. So unit of volume is actually meter cube.